What is sentence? Sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. How many kinds of sentences according to meaning? There are 5 kinds of sentences according to meaning. What are they? They are assertive sentence, a sentence that gives information or tells something. Example, the sky is blue. Interrogative sentence, a sentence that asks a question. Example, what is novel? Optative sentence, a sentence that tells someone to do something. Example, please close the door. An optative sentence is a sentence that shows a wish, hope, or prayer. Example, may you be happy. Exclamatory sentence, a sentence that shows strong feelings or excitement. Example, hurrah, we have won the game. The sky is blue, make it negative. We cannot deny that the sky is blue. নোট, চিরন্তন সত্য ও বৈজ্ঞানিক সত্য বাক্যের শুরুতে উই ক্যান নট ডিনাই দ্যাট ব্যবহার করে নেগেটিভ করতে হয়। এখানে দ্য স্কাই ইজ ব্লু হচ্ছে একটি বৈজ্ঞানিক সত্য বাক্য, তাই উই ক্যান নট ডিনাই দ্যাট দ্য স্কাই ইজ ব্লু হয়েছে। হাউ মেনি কাইন্ডস অফ সেন্টেন্সেস অ্যাকর্ডিং টু স্ট্রাকচার? দেয়ার আর 3 সেন্টেন্সেস অ্যাকর্ডিং টু স্ট্রাকচার। What are they? They are simple sentence, a sentence that has one subject and one predicate expressing a complete thought. Example, Rana attended the class. Two complex sentence, a sentence with one independent clause and one or more dependent clauses. Example, I saw a man who was standing. Three compound sentence, a sentence that has two independent clauses joined by conjunction, like and but or. Example, they see a tree and it is big. What is verb? Verb is a word that shows an action, what someone is doing. Example, work, eat, jump. Make sentences the words after, before. After, I will go to bed after I finish my book. We ate lunch after the game had ended. Before, I always brush my teeth before I go to bed. The patient had died before the doctor came. What is linking verb? A linking verb connects the subject of a sentence to additional information about the subject. Common linking verbs: to be verbs is, am, are, was, were, be, being, been. Example, she is happy. Other common linking verbs: seem, appear, become, feel, look, sound, taste, smell, grow, remain, stay. Examples, the soup tasted delicious. What is finite verb? A finite verb is an action word that shows time and works with the subject in a sentence. Example, he plays in the field. What is non-finite verb? Non-finite verb is a verb that does not show time and cannot be the main verb in a sentence. Example, I like to play. What is transitive verb? A transitive verb is an action word that needs an object to complete its meaning. Example, he reads a book. What is intransitive verb? An intransitive verb is an action word that does not need an object to complete its meaning. Example, he runs fast. Birds fly. What is voice? Voice in grammar shows whether the subject of a sentence is doing the action. How many kinds of voice? There are two kinds of voice. Active voice is when the subject of a sentence does the action of the verb. Example, the cat chased the mouse. Structure, subject plus verb plus object. Passive voice is when the subject of the sentence receives the action instead of doing it. Structure, object from active voice plus form of to be plus past participle plus by plus subject. Example, the boy kicks the ball. Passive, the ball is kicked by the boy. What is essayist? An essayist is a person who writes essays, which are short pieces of writing on a particular subject. What is poet? A poet is a person who writes poems. What is the difference between Greek and Shakespearean tragedy? Greek tragedy focuses on fate, gods, and moral lessons. Shakespearean tragedy emphasizes human flaws, individual choices, and complex characters. Tell some Greek and Shakespearean tragedy books. Greek tragedy books: Oedipus Rex by Sophocles, Antigone by Sophocles, Medea by Euripides. Shakespearean tragedy books: Hamlet, Macbeth, Othello by William Shakespeare. Who were university wits? The university wits were Christopher Marlowe, Robert Greene, and Thomas Nash. What is weak verb? A weak verb is a verb that forms its past tense and past participle by adding ed, d, or t to the base form. Example: add, edit, edit, close, closed, close, build, built, build. What is strong verb? Strong verb is a verb that changes its vowel in the past and past participle forms. Example: go, went, gone, do, did, done. What is the difference between vowel and consonant? A vowel is a letter that makes a sound with an open mouth and no block of air. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Other hand, a consonant is a letter that makes a sound by blocking air. Example: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. What is tense? Tense is a grammatical concept that shows the time of an action or event. The three main tenses are: past tense describes action that have already happened. Example: I ate lunch. Present tense describes action happening right now. Example: I eat lunch every day. Future tense describes actions that will happen. Example: I will eat lunch later. What is modal verb? A modal verb is a special verb that helps express ability, possibility, permission. Examples of modal verbs: can, may, must, will, etc. What is number? In grammar, number refers to whether a word is singular or plural. Two kinds of number. Singular refers to one person or thing. Example, the cat is sleeping. Plural refers to more than one person or thing. Example, the cats are sleeping. What is gender? Gender is a way to classify nouns and pronouns based on whether they refer to a male, female, or something neutral. Types of gender: masculine words for males. Example, boy, king, father. Feminine words for females. Example, girl, queen, mother. Neuter words for things that are neither male nor female. Example, table, book, tree. Common gender words used for both males and females. Example, teacher, doctor, child. What are the synonyms? Synonyms are words that have the same meaning as another word. Example, big equal large, huge, gigantic. What are the antonyms? Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. Example, big, small, up, down.